Colleges and universities are back in session right now. Welcome Week can bring some unwelcomed issues to campus.
That includes underage drinking. News 10's Kylie Thomas is live to explain how lawmakers are making sure students get medical help when needed.
Well, John and Melissa, here I have Indiana's Lifeline Law with me. It was passed 6 years ago, but is still just as relevant today. It protects young people like new students here at ISU when calling 911. That is calling for an underage person who has been drinking too much and needs medical help. Now, I just got off the phone with Vigo County's 911 center. They say calls like this do happen around school time, but they were not able to share specific call numbers at this time. So according to the law, a person under 21 years old will not be arrested or face legal consequences for calling, even if they're also drinking or have alcohol on them.
So if you've been drinking before, maybe you're afraid to call the police if someone's been sexually molested, or you're afraid to be there at the time, when the police come. Now it's saying that even if you've been drinking and you're underage or whatever, you won't be prosecuted if you do the right thing.
Again, we want to remind young people about their rights. Now, this law recently expanded to include 2 other issues that they could face. What those are coming up in our next 20 minutes. Live at ISU, I'm Kylie Thomas, News 10.
So this morning we're diving into one of Indiana's newer laws that protects young people.
We're talking about the Lifeline Law. It was passed in 2012, but recently saw some new changes.
News 10's Kylie Thomas is live to break down the rights of those under 21.
Schools like Indiana State University here are back in session this week. And this time of the year, underage drinking can spike. So what if a student finds themselves in a situation where they're afraid to call 911 to get someone help because they've been drinking too? Well, thankfully, there's a solution for that. At 6:30, we broke down the protection that students and other young people have to get a friend medical help. That's the Lifeline Law. The goal is to make sure no one loses their life to alcohol poisoning because of fear. Now, according to this law, a person under 21 years old will not be arrested or face legal consequences for calling 911, even if they're also drinking or have alcohol on them. Now, as promised at 6:50, let's talk about the other 2 crimes that lawmakers recently added. The Lifeline Law now includes calling about a sexual offense. It also provides protection for the person calling to report any crime in general. To learn more about this law, just head over to our website at WTHI-TV.com. Live at ISU, I'm Kylie Thomas, News 10.